Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Megamart Shopping Show.
Welcome.
Love is in the air. Valentine's Day is right around the corner. So today we're going to be sharing some inexpensive, social distancing friendly ways to celebrate Valentine's Day with your loved ones. Of course, with a little help from Megamart.
Yes,
and our good friend.
That's right, and a lot of help from our friend, Chef Samantha George. Chef George, how are you?
I am good.
Happy New
I was
Year.
up all night making all this nice stuff for you guys.
Oh, thank you so much. That's the love. That's the love. All right, so first, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you guys.
Yes. Are you big on Valentine's and love, and are you like mushy?
Since you're married, are you kind of past that stage now, or you guys?
Why you go since you're
I-
married? What do you mean?
Because like afterwards, you kind of just lose that
Sure.
that steam to really go overboard for Valentine's Day.
Oh, to go overboard.
But maybe you still do cute little gestures. Yeah?
Well, I'm still begging my husband to plan something for me. Nice. So,
Chin chin.
You
hint,
see,
hint.
look here,
I'm
the pressure is
happy.
the pressure sometimes is more,
Yeah.
okay, because it's the same person that you're catering to each year.
And you
So you
kind
have
of
to mix
trying
it.
to
That's correct.
raise the bar,
No,
I guess.
but I like little, nice stuff here and there every day. So if you miss Valentine, it's not so bad. But I do like a little excitement now and then.
Yeah.
Especially her birthdays.
Birthdays are
I'm
big.
big on birthdays
Yeah.
as well.
Anniversaries too.
Right, so today we came up with different ways to celebrate Valentine's Day with not over the top, but still special, intimate moments.
Creative ways. That's what I
Creative
really like. It's
Yeah.
like the creativity that people hopefully will take from the episode.
So in this basket today we have sandwiches, sub sandwiches,
Yep.
right? And we have deli meats in there. I see lots of veggies, cheese.
Right.
What else do you have in here?
I have some Doritos. You could do,
Or your favorite tips?
your favorite chips, cookies, galore.
What I like is, obviously Megamart is a one-stop shop for all of these things. So once you go in there, you can just, it's about your choice and your flavor and what it is that you want to, add to the space.
Definitely.
And I know I wanted to add that picnics are traditionally in the daytime, but you could do this in the nighttime, right?
Yes.
And they have these cute little lanterns. Maybe you could add some citronella candles to get rid of the mosquitoes.
I would use citronella daytime as well.
Yeah.
It smells nice, right?
It
Smells
smells
nice.
great.
Keep the flies away.
And of course, it would set the mood with some nice lighting.
Yeah.
For the backyard at night. I think
Lighting
this
is
would be
key. So
a
tea
great option
lights,
as well.
if you have patio lighting at the top,
Right.
candles, you can never go over top with the night lighting for the night.
Oh, and these cushions are great because if you're sitting on the floor, you want to sit on something comfortable.
I love
and they're
these
really,
too.
really nice. And you can have this picnic anywhere. I like
Yeah.
the fact that you say you could do this at your house, you could
in the
actually-
backyard.
Backyard. You could get adventurous and go to Hope Gardens, I guess, if you
Hollywell.
wanted to.
I love Hollywell.
Oh, that
Hollywell
is
is
nice.
Really a
beautiful,
perfect backdrop
absolutely.
for that.
Yeah.
And it's
Yeah.
a perfect Valentine's for kids and families too, not just couples.
So
This
the
works
entire
well for
family
kids.
could share this experience.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I mean, and share it in a bubble as
Yeah.
well, which is very important. That we can all go as a family in a
Pandemic-proof.
bubble. Yeah. I like it. I don't know why we just keep looking at it.
So of course, we're going to share some more ideas with you, so stay tuned.
Cheers.
Chef Sam is here.
Chef Sam with the goodies. Oh,
got
Chef
the
Sam, this
goods.
looks awesome.
It
See?
does.
That's
Catch,
why-
catch.
There you go. Nice, great.
So if you had gone to the theater, then this is pretty similar to what you would have done, right?
It's a little bit more bashy. I mean,
Yeah.
much more stylish than you get at the cinema.
course,
Definitely.
Absolutely.
And it ties in definitely with the romantic evening, watching a really nice romantic movies, the Notebook or whatever.
Yeah.
And yeah, just your favorite.
It's very
snacks in
playful.
there.
It's very playful as
Very
well.
playful.
I
and
like that.
Nostalgia with the bottles.
Yeah.
With the old time Coca-Cola
Right.
shape.
You have
And
your
yeah,
dips.
So I have chips,
M&Ms.
dips, candy.
Chocolate chip cookies.
Absolutely.
And I love this concept again because you can share it with the entire family.
Yes, I could see all the kids kind
Yeah.
of sitting in between us and kind of huddling and watching
Yeah.
that beautiful big
Or you
screen
could do a
TV.
tray for everybody, or do a much bigger tray to share, right?
Definitely.
I love the little heart elements that are on the.
Yeah,
really
I thought
nice.
this was
Content is really good.
Yeah.
I can tell you that, I mean, if this was my house, we'd probably start like this and then get very messy after.
Popcorn everywhere.
everywhere. But it would be absolutely fun. I can see
Yeah.
how we could definitely pull all these things together. Very nicely done, guys.
I like it. And
Yes.
of course, again, as we said at the start of the show, beautiful floral arrangement by every,
Every
blooming
blooming
thing.
thing. That's so beautiful. And this is a different arrangement, so you can
Right.
tell. And of course, in keeping with our theme.
Yeah.
It's Valentine's Day. So this is like including the entire family in that activity. I like that.
I like it too.
I like it too. And this is something you can do at home. You don't need to, you know what I mean, go anywhere.
As we said, all the options that we're providing today are social distancing friendly, they're pandemic proof, and they're inexpensive.
Yes.
But still special moments. You
Nice.
know? Yeah.
We have a cheese platter, cheese and fruit platter for the adults and kids. My kids love to eat from this because it's it's eye candy.
It is.
Yeah, so you just pick a leaf from your garden outside as a base if you want contrast. Add some of your favorite fruits. I love strawberries for platters. Really nice pop of red, which helps
Can't go
you
wrong with chocolate.
like Valentine.
Of
Yeah,
course, as
chocolate.
Yeah.
One of the known aphrodisiacs.
So I'm seeing crackers, I'm seeing baguette, I'm seeing almonds,
Nuts.
pistachios, strawberries,
and some blue cheese
some
and
blue
jam.
cheese
So
and
preserve
jam.
any preserver jam that you like.
So
all
this-
those wonderful goodies that you can get at Megamart and perhaps not other places because we carry the quality stuff, must tell you. No, it's true, it's absolutely true. But what I like about this is it's a little bit more sexy than this one. So I'd probably choose this one if it was, you know, with me and my partner alone, kind of having a movie night. Yeah.
And then you
you
add
could
the red
add-
wine and beer.
Yeah.
You could definitely add
watching
wine
the
to this.
favorite Netflix series right now. All right, guys, I hope you're enjoying this episode so far. We certainly are. Of course, we started off with our picnic, and then we showed you, what a movie night could be in terms of making it special. And now these ladies just turned up the ante on me because they're saying you can't have a Valentine's celebration with that significant other without dinner, right?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So, ladies, talk to me. What do we have here?
So a staple for a romantic dinner, not just Valentine's Day, I think is pasta. I think it's super simple, but it just has that romantic, lady on the tram vibe.
Yeah.
And so we went for rana pasta. It's fresh, authentic Italian pasta from Megamart. It's available in the refrigerator aisle, and of course, Chef Sam worked her magic.
I did it last night, as you guys can see here. It's foolproof. I literally boiled it for 4 minutes. It's forgiving, so you could go for 7 minutes and it won't fall apart.
Okay.
And you just grab one of the sauces that comes with it. For this one, we're doing a mushroom ravioli, and they have these spinach and cheese tortellini. So they're stuffed pastas, just gushing with flavor inside. Really romantic and classic to eat with a knife and fork with the sauce.
So these are your regular pastas.
Yeah, these are a little bit more fancy.
These are some stuffing in
These
there.
are my husband's favorite, by the way.
Oh,
ravioli.
nice,
Yeah,
nice,
always
nice.
goes for that.
Right. And
So,
what's
yeah.
the stuffing in the middle? Is it actual?
Well, this line has a mushroom and cheese stuffing and spinach and cheese.
Oh, nice.
So-
And then there's a cheese
It's all
lovers, so it has a combination of different types of cheeses
Yeah.
stuffed inside the pasta shell.
So let me be honest with you. So what gets me with pasta is, of course, the pasta. That's easy to, you can boil that, and it's the other parts that I tend
The
to.
sauce.
The sauce.
The garnishing.
Yes, I tend to just go with the sauce that's on the shelf.
Yeah.
Oh,
As
okay.
opposed to just trying to make my own sauce,
Yeah.
which is where I like to get to. So.
Well, the
Chef
sauces
Sam.
they have are great. I
Right.
think they're a great base. I, as a chef, like to kind of jazz it up a little bit.
Yeah.
So I typically go with garam masala for my tomato sauces. Add a little bit more garlic. You can put a little more salt. It's up to you.
Right.
And
So,
then
wait, but dial it back a bit. Start from scratch if you're making your own red sauce.
Well, for beginners, I wouldn't start from scratch. I would go with the canned tomatoes, whole tomatoes, because they
Okay.
have a lot
Right.
more flavor.
Thank you,
They're not
Chef.
as processed. And so you just mash it and just, boil it down for about an hour, maybe half an hour, and then you add the same thing. So more garlic, a little bit of sugar, salt. There's a little trick I learned, which is adding a little toops of baking soda. It kind of neutralizes the acid in there, so it's not as
Tart.
acidic and tart. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but it actually works.
Okay.
It's a
So
thing
that's
that
a-
lots
that's a
of
tip from the chef.
grandmas use. And then you just finish it off with some garam masala, and then you just put your ravioli
Parmesan on
there,
top.
Parmesan, basil.
So garnish
And
is
it's a
important
stunner.
for me. And then you'll talk about what you're gonna serve it in.
I like these shallow bowls because they help to elevate the pasta. So it's not too
yes.
deep where the pasta get lost in it.
Right.
So I call them shallow bowls.
Really, really nice, and of course,
like it too.
white is very classy.
Yeah.
And
And it pops against the red
pops against the
tablecloth.
red tablecloth. And I noticed, Chef Sam, they're very clean. The plate, the
Yeah,
corners
always
are very
clean. Yeah, the circumference of your bowls.
And then we added these candles, and I think it brought it to another level. The romance.
The romance.
Yeah, lighting is everything.
And you can't go wrong with a bottle of wine, a good bottle
I like
of wine.
sweet. but you know, all you dry people lovers,
I do like
you
sweet.
can go with your dry
I
wine.
do like sweet, so we tend to buy a lot of Moscatos.
But the great thing about Megamart is we have a wide selection. Whatever your preference is, sweet, dry, or in between.
Right. Even if it's not wine, I mean, you can get anything you want.
We have sparkling wine.
Absolutely.
For the non-alcoholics, or you could just go with juice.
Yes.
If
Champagne,
you wanted to.
even.
But of course, after dinner comes
Dessert.
Dessert, ladies, please go around. That is looking lovely. Amazing.
absolutely gorgeous. I love this cake stand that it's displayed on. I think this is a Gibson jade stand. Absolutely beautiful.
I love the shade.
Had to
That
get
green
one.
is nice.
It's like a Willy Wonka factory.
It is.
Like a microcosm.
I really, really love this
It is.
display. I think you went over.
So I do
over the top of this
recognize.
one.
I do recognize some of the pastry.
Yeah.
I know the rainbow cake.
Yes.
That's
I actually sample this. It's really delicious.
It is.
Kind of buttery and yeah.
Bread velvet,
Right.
triple chocolate cheesecake, and peanut butter explosion.
just sounds dangerous. Triple chocolate
Triple
cheese.
chocolate cheesecake. These are coconut macaroons from
Nice,
the bakery.
Right.
Jelly beans, and I see kiwi and chocolate bars.
Yep.
Right.
We hope you guys got some good ideas for Valentine's Day today. Remember, you could do a nice backyard picnic. You could do it in the daytime or at night to
Yeah.
make it very romantic. You could do a movie night. Set up your living room real cozy and comfy with your cushions and your throws, your nice blankets. Do some popcorn and candy, or do a nice fruit and cheese platter, right, Chef Sam? And if you can't manage to do it all by yourself, then you could of course call Chef Sam.
Absolutely. And like I suggested, you can go to the deli as well. I find
Yes.
that the Waterloo deli in particular is very, very helpful. Sometimes you go there, you don't really know what you want, and they can mix and match, put some things together for you.
Yeah.
And it's easy, pretty quick. You pay for it, you go.
Yeah, and then if all else fails, you can just get some flowers to go.
You will?
So before we go, I want to say a very special thank you to our guest, Chef Samantha George. Thank you so much. And our good friends over at Every Blooming Thing.
Yes.
And we're going to have these arrangements available at our Waterloo and Portmore locations on February 13th and 14th.
Absolutely.
And as we said before, they're only $3,000 plus GCT. So you can't lose. That's a great deal.
Great deal. I want to actually big up crew member today. Big ups to a crew member who did our decor. Big up yourself. Great job today. I really felt like I was at the picnic, and great job,
Yeah.
respect. In shy, you don't want to name so much.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to follow us on social media at Megamart Jamaica on Facebook and Instagram. And happy Valentine.
Happy Valentine's Day.